Dear student, welcome back to our NIUS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. I am fine also. This is Shivli Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Student, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 3. Student, you know that in previous classes we have already discussed your chapter 1. Today we will discuss from here short questions and fill in the gaps. So student, let's start our class. Student, our today's topic is short questions and fill in the blanks from chapter 1. You know that we have already discussed our today's chapter 1. So let's start. What does society mean? The answer of this question is society means living together and observing different kinds of festivals. None can live alone. So we live together with parents, siblings and grandparents. Our neighbors also live around us. All these together are called society. In society, we have to follow some rules to live peacefully. Student, now I am going to tell these questions once again. Society means living together and observing different kinds of festivals. Student, you know that society, that means a group of people live together and at a particular place for different purposes and observing different kinds of festivals. Student, festival means a day of celebration. We celebrate different kinds of occasions in different times. None can live alone. Student, you know that people cannot live alone. She need company. They need company. So they live in a society. So we live together with parents, siblings, and grandparents. So student, siblings means your brother or sister. Our neighbors also live around us. Neighbors means student, a person living next door. Okay, they also live around us. All these together are called society. In society, we have to follow some rules to live peacefully. Student, you know, if we want to live peacefully, we should follow some rules. So come to the next question. Give an example of social environment. Answer of this question is man make many things to meet their needs, such as schools, houses, roads, etc. These elements together form the social environment. An example of social environment is playground. Student, from this question we know that man make many things to fulfill their demand, and you know that there are two types of environment. One is natural environment and another is social environment. Social environment means that the environment is made by man. So an example of social environment is playground. Next to the next question. Come to the next question. Why do we use transport? Answer of this question is transport is an important element of the social environment. It is also made by man. By using transport, we move from one place to another. We can use transport to go to school and to visit places. People can travel by bus, train, boat or plane. So it was our today's topic, and now go to the fill in the blanks. There are 4 fill in the gaps for you. First one, people dash to live in groups of families and places. Here we can use the word choose. Small letter CHOOSE, choose. People choose to live in groups of families and villages. It is a small letter, student. Number 2, school is an element of the dash environment. So here we can write social. School is an element of the social environment. Next one, 3. We can see nature all around dash, all around earth. So we can see nature all around earth. Number 4. We may dash by bus, train, boat or plane. So we can write here travel. So student, these were our today's topic. Hope you have understood our today's topic. But before going to finish this class, I am telling you that our today's homework. Today's homework number 2 and topic fill in the blanks. And submission date 20 February on Saturday, time 9 am to 3 pm. Student, keep practicing at home and stay well at home. Hope you have understood our today's topic. You have to practice more and more at home.